So this is the 9350 turbo diesel. I've had it in this shop for a retarded amount of years. I think going on 5-6 years now. They put an engine out of a 97, and this is a 93. So I don't know where to go with it. I need it done. The tires are probably ruined. The paint's ruined. So if any of you guys know anything about these, possibly know how to fix it and want to make a buck, I need it fixed. So yeah, share the video. It's in Kalispell, Montana. Wish I knew more on diesels. As far as I know, he said it needed a gear for mechanical timing because the engine is electronic. So y'all let me know, because I need it going.